Aql can exist without bayan, but bayan cannot exist without aql. And bayan is better than aql, because it's not only aql, it is the ability to verbalize aql. You follow this point? Bayan is better than aql, because you cannot have bayan without aql. What is bayan? Eloquent speech. Eloquent speech requires what? A brain. There are people, Allah has tested them, they cannot speak, but they have aql. Some of the brightest people have a lot of aql, and Allah has tested them, they cannot speak. But bayan cannot exist without aql. So Allah incorporates aql when He says bayan. When Allah says, I taught him bayan, it means automatically I gave him the ability to think profoundly and to then express those profound views onto others. And this is a unique thing. Allah also references this in the first revelation. اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم. علم بالقلم. Qalam is also bayan. Qalam is the writing of bayan. So Allah says, I taught mankind the verbalizing of bayan, and I taught mankind the recording of bayan. Can you imagine if we didn't have the mechanism to write and record? This would mean every generation would have to start from scratch over and over again.